to show you an interesting import for Python. It's called VisVis. You can install it pip3 install VisVis. It's a little bit an older library. It's no longer maintained, as I understand, but it is quite interesting. I'm reading in a picture here. Then this is just the demo code that is supplied. It's smoothed a bit. It prepares the figure. It prepares the figure with the color map. I chose CM hot. And it prepares it without the color map. Also with the original structure. Here is then an example of the Python plugin VisVis. In black and white, a picture of a chestnut tree. Some smoothing done. Interesting. Oh. Isn't really doing what I want. That's never good for a demonstration. Here was a different color map. It's creating a sort of 3D effect based on the shades in the black and white picture. If I started the code, and once you have it running, you can scroll the mouse, run through it. It gives this nice 3D effect. You can keep the picture with the left mouse button and then shift. Of course, this is probably to display scientific figures, but I think it's quite nice to go close of black and white pictures. Here, the color map, CM hot, color map hot. Hope I can turn it. Yeah, quite interesting. So have a go and enjoy.